Hello, Elisa here with a commentary for Thanks for the Stars. So this is not really a typical Dr. Puppet Christmas special. It's actually a Farewell to Peter Capaldi special that just happened to premiere in December. In fact, if you look back at the original video, it premiered on December 12th, which is the 12th Doctor's Day, obviously. So, as I've said before, the 12th Doctor's gift to us is his chalk because it's been such an amazing tool for storytelling, especially because Dr. Puppet doesn't have any dialogue in it. So this was one final chance for us to use that chalk to pay tribute not only to Peter Capaldi, but to all of the amazing characters that were in his era of Doctor Who. And we also got to bring back the guitar one final time. Even though the majority of the Dr. Puppet videos feature the 11th Doctor, the 12th Doctor has been the face of Doctor Who for the majority of Dr. Puppet's existence. Also, because Peter Capaldi is an artist and musician, I think myself and Aaron especially were able to connect with him on a very personal level. For these reasons, the end of the 12th Doctor's era was especially emotional for us, and we wanted to thank Peter for all he has done to inspire us. Thank you for watching, and Happy New Year!